My name is Rebecca. I'm a project designer with Hammer, and today we will be talking about the Moroccan-inspired renovation in the nation's capital. This condo is in an older property not far from the vibrant wharf in DC. It also has a beautiful view of the Potomac River. The goal of this renovation was to refresh the different spaces and bring in some Moroccan-inspired pattern, texture, and color. The space before was older, had some issues with asbestos, and needed to be redone to make it safe and up to date. One of the opportunities that we used was the large picture window with a beautiful view of the Potomac River. We incorporated a large kitchen island with a rounded section that seats 4 people, so that way they can have a beautiful view while they're eating. Part of the beauty of this renovation was utilizing various shapes, colors, textures, and patterns to provide a Moroccan-inspired feeling throughout the home. From the saturated cabinetry in the kitchen to the shape of the kitchen island and the kitchen backsplash, it all is a reminder of the various colors and textures you would see throughout Morocco. The inspiration for this project comes from the homeowner's travels, and the goal was to create a space that was modernized and up to date. One of the biggest challenges of this project was working around the existing conditions of the space. For example, in the kitchen, there was an existing HVAC vent above the refrigerator, and what we did to ensure that there was enough airflow is incorporate a Moroccan-styled grill above the refrigerator in the cabinet door. Some of the unique finishes and fixtures we utilized in this project are a Kohler matte white sink in the kitchen, along with the Brizo matte white Odin faucet. In bathroom number 2, on the main floor, we used a larger star and cross pattern tile, and in the niche, we used a smaller star and cross pattern tile. For the niche, we used the color Aegean Sea, and for the vanity, we matched it to a Sherwin-Williams color called Danube. In bathroom 1, we incorporated the homeowner's love for emerald green by using a handmade clay emerald green tile on the back wall of the shower. We also incorporated brass and emerald green hardware on the vanity. In both bathrooms, we utilized Brizo fixtures and a luxe gold finish to bring in some added warmth. One of my favorite tasks in this project was incorporating the star and cross in various sizes, along with the 2 colors that we incorporated between the blue in the niche and the blue on the vanity in bathroom 2.